Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need cheats enabled and operator access, so open your world settings and turn on Activate Cheats. Once done, place a command block or prepare chat command entry. You will use the /attribute command. Start by identifying the exact attribute ID you want to change, for example, generic, max health or generic, movement speed, and confirm the target player or entity. Make sure you have a backup world and a test armor stand or dummy player to avoid unintended changes. Now you apply the attribute. Type the full command or load it into a command block. For example, target an armor stand or player and set the base value. This immediately changes the underlying stat. To add temporary effects, use modifiers with a unique UUID and specify add or multiply operation. This keeps the base intact. Once done, you can chain command blocks for on/off toggles or wire them to buttons and pressure plates for runtime switching. Test each change on the dummy first. Finish by confirming values on the player or entity and saving your command block layout. Persistence depends on how you set base versus modifiers. If you need to revert, reset the base value or remove the specific modifier by reusing the UUID and setting amount to 0 or running the inverse command. If things go wrong, check for typing errors, conflicting behavior packs, or missing operator permissions. Reload the world or temporarily disable packs to isolate the cause, and then reapply the correct attribute command.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.